This F-15 Eagle experienced what pilots called the impossible. One of the plane's wings completely disappeared. The incident occurred at an altitude of 30,000 feet while traveling at 400 miles per hour. What happened next wasn't just a miracle, it was a physics lesson that changed aviation forever. Over the next few minutes, you will discover 3 shocking secrets that explain how this pilot achieved the impossible. Secrets that even experienced engineers still debate today. Cast and setup. To understand this miracle, we need to meet the key players. First, our aircraft, the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. Introduced in 1976, this aircraft was the aircraft that established America's air superiority over Soviet MiGs. F-15 Eagle specifications in depth. Wingspan, 42 feet, 9.75 inches. Thrust-to-weight ratio, 1.07 to 1. Could accelerate vertically. Construction, titanium and aluminum alloy. Reputation, not the slightest bit effective air-to-ground. Now, our pilot is Captain Zivi Nedivi. He's an experienced young Israeli Air Force fighter pilot with hundreds of hours of combat training. On May 1st, 1983, he was executing a routine air combat maneuver. The impact. Second by second. At 11:14 a.m., Nedivi's F-15 was performing aerial combat maneuvers with an A-4 Skyhawk. The Skyhawk pilot was simulating an enemy aircraft. What happened next unfolded so quickly and violently that neither pilot could have foreseen what was about to happen. Collision details. Relative speed. Combined closure rate of 800 plus miles per hour. Impact point. A-4's left wing struck F-15's right wing root. Result? A-4 disintegrated, F-15 lost entire right wing. Nedivi first felt a violent jolt. Then, the plane began to pitch violently to the right. The instruments were crazy. Warning lights were flashing on all the plane's instruments. Here was the first shocking fact. He didn't even realize he had lost a wing. The physics of the impossible. Now, let's get to the point. How could a plane fly without wings? It couldn't fly according to conventional aerodynamics, but the F-15 wasn't a conventional aircraft. Shocking secret number 1, the lifting fuselage. The F-15's massive, flat-sided fuselage functioned as what engineers call a lift body. At high speeds, it produced up to 40% of the lift that a wing would produce. This was purely an engineering accident. Shocking secret number 2, the horizontal stabilizer savior. The horizontal stabilizers, those little fins on the tail, became the primary lifting surfaces. Operating at 300% of their designed capacity, they were generating enough lift to keep the nose up. Shocking secret number 3, the thrust solution. Those massive Pratt & Whitney F-100 engines didn't just provide forward thrust. The pilot discovered that by using asymmetric thrust, using more power on one engine than the other, he could prevent the roll. The 10-minute battle for survival. Now for the most incredible part. Veteran fighter pilot Nedivi saved the plane from crashing. He flew the damaged F-15 for over 10 minutes, a constant, exhausting struggle with the controls for 10 minutes. Pilot's dilemma. Too slow would stall and crash. Too fast could overstress remaining structure. Sweet spot was 260 to 280 knots. When the Nedivi radioed, "I've been shot down, I've lost my right wing," the ground controller thought the pilot was joking. No one loses a wing and stays airborne. But radar doesn't lie. The F-15 was still cruising. Approach and landing details. Landing was undeniably more dangerous than flying. Because there were no wings, there was no roll control. There was no margin for error. Nedivi had to approach at nearly twice his normal speed. Aftermath and investigation. When the F-15 performed its landing procedure and skidded to a stop, the ground crew couldn't believe what had happened. The right wing had been completely severed. What they discovered during the investigation was even more astonishing. Engineering descriptions: wing root, cleanly cut, preventing further damage. Hydraulic systems, backup systems enabled the controls to function. Structural integrity, the main spar held up despite extensive damage. McDonnell Douglas engineers could never hide their astonishment. Of course, they designed the F-15 to be incredibly robust, capable of continuing operations even in challenging conditions, but the accident was beyond imagination. This incident proved that the F-15 possesses hidden safety margins that no one knew about. Legacy and impact. This incident, in which the F-15 landed with only one wing, not only saved a pilot's life, but also changed military aviation forever. The lessons learned resonated with design offices and training academies worldwide. Immediate changes. Pilot training. New emergency procedures for asymmetric flight. Design philosophy. Increased emphasis on damage tolerance. F-15 sales. This became the best possible marketing opportunity. Countries that had been hesitant about purchasing the F-15 suddenly realized its value and changed their minds. If this fighter jet could survive this, it could survive anything. The F-15's reputation instantly rose from excellent to legendary. The human element. Engineering certainly played a significant role in this accident. But beyond engineering, there's also the human element. What can a pilot achieve when faced with certain death? How does training overcome panic? Psychological analysis. Training or instinct? How does muscle memory come into play? Decision-making. Cognitive processing during extreme stress. Aftermath. How do pilots process near-death experiences? Zivi Nedivi didn't become famous for this incident. Even if he was involved in military aviation, many people don't know him. In fact, he largely avoided the spotlight. But his calmness under pressure represents the most important trait a fighter pilot needs to develop in military aviation. Beyond a miracle. So, was it a miracle? Or was it a perfect blend of brilliant engineering, rigorous training, and human courage? The truth is, it was all three. This story aligns with other great survival stories in aviation history, but with one important difference. It taught us measurable, tangible lessons that make all aircraft safer. What's the most incredible military aviation survival story you've ever heard? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to witness more true aviation mysteries, subscribe and ring the notification bell for our next video.